You know, I don't like wearing gloves, but when I do, it's always for a reason. I'm gonna show you a phone that probably you never seen nothing like it before. So here's the phone. Screen is cracked. Okay, screen protector also. You only see the blue light under, but when I open the case to fix it, look at this. Like, what is this? This is like so gross. I never seen nothing like it. Look at that. So we're gonna deep clean this phone and we're gonna fix the screen so he can get his information back. Watch until the end to see this sick process. Phone is still working and I can't turn it off. There is no physical damage on the outside, but the inside is damaged. We're gonna clean the frame first. Those are sticky, it's not coming off. See those DNA? See the hair? How many cases do you have for your phone? And how often do you get a new case? Comment below. We're gonna clean the frame now. Time to change screen. And my gloves. Look at this. This one escaped. Can someone tell me what's all these letters on here? Here, all this. Leave it in comment. I'm really wondering. What is it? What? They have a mirror on there? Let's see what's underneath. Time to clean this case. Damn. The moment you all have been waiting for. Your phone is ready, sir. Now it's good to go. Look at this. Look at this now. And this is the screen. Now you can able to see it. And this is the case. Can I get a wow? Nice and clean. And let's put the case on it and see how it looks. Everything is good to go.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's fact.